Hi, this is the LapWorks Sky Crane, a great all-around floor stand for tablets from 7 inches up to 13 inches. Today we have the 12.9 iPad Pro demonstrating that it can hold a tablet that large. It can hold the tablet actually much thicker. It'll go up to a ½ inch in thickness. Let me show you some of the features. This stand has a free moving arm. You can move it to a medium-low height, all the way down, back to center, up high, or even straight up. Anywhere in between. When you let go, it stays in place. Whenever you have the tablet balanced properly, you can do that freely, and it still remains stable. You can also move the tablet up. It currently is at a 3-foot height. If you place a foot on one of the tripod legs, squeeze the handle, and then you can lift. When you let go, it stays put. This is a 5-foot high floor stand, probably higher than you'll ever need. But remember, you can move this arm, so it lets you put it exactly where you want. At the end of the arm is a ball joint that lets you, with the thumb screw, adjust to landscape, portrait, or anywhere in between. You can angle it down, angle it up, wherever you'd like. The Sky Crane lets you put it right in front of your eyes, wherever you happen to be. It's a really great product, and we hope you give it a try. Another nice feature is that it has some cord clips. You can either use that to hold your charging cord, or you can put your stylus or Apple Pencil in there, and it holds that for you. All right, next I'll tell you a little bit about how to set this up and get the balance right, so for best use. So let's talk about how to set up your LapWorks Sky Crane. First, let me identify the parts. So first, we've got the different tablet holders. We include two. This one is for the 7 to 10.5 inch tablet, and this one is for a 9.5 to 14 inch. They're both labeled. But also, you can just set your tablet in place and see which one will fit. This one's a little too short. That one's just right. So we use the big holder for it, 12.9 iPad Pro. This will hold up to a ½ inch thick tablet, either of the holders. All right. And the other part is the ball joint. The ball joint swivels freely and will let you position your tablet to any viewing angle. So first, we're going to attach this holder that we chose to the ball joint. The way you do that, you'll notice there's 4 prongs here and 4 holes. You put the prong in the big part of the hole and then push down to the small part of the hole. Now it's locked in. And next, let me tell you how to set up the floor stand portion. So on the floor stand portion, you release this thumb screw that's at the base. You'll see there's rubber bumpers at the bottom. This is the bottom. This is the top. And then we'll pull this arm. Let me set my tablet out of the way. We pull this vertical pole to the top position and tighten that. Then you lift the entire thing up and unfold the tripod legs. Trying to decide what angle I want to put that at. All right, then you can loosen this knob at the top. This allows the arm to move freely. So loosen that and then tighten it when you've got it at a comfortable working height. Next, we'll attach the ball joint to the end of the arm. So to do that, you unscrew this, and you have to unscrew it pretty far. In some cases, if you unscrew far enough, that'll come off. It's not a big problem. It's actually maybe a little more convenient to do it that way. Unscrew this until it will fit over the end. Then you put in the ball, then hold that tight enough so that it doesn't fall. And then you can start tightening. And then once you've got it somewhat tight, you're safe to let that bracket go. Tighten, and you're set. Now that you've got your Sky Crane fully assembled, let me tell you how to balance it to work best with your tablet. If you refer to our instruction sheet, it tells you that this distance right here should be about 6 inches, or the width of this instruction sheet for smaller tablets. For larger tablets, you want it to be about 8 inches, or the length of the instruction sheet. So I'm going to unscrew this thumb screw here and move this back to about the length of the instruction sheet. That should be about right for my 12.9 iPad Pro. Notice I'm keeping a hand on that so the arm doesn't move before I have it set up. I'm going to insert the tablet. The way you do that, by the way, insert one corner, pull the opposite corner, hook it around, and release. Works the same for any size tablet. So now to test that the balance is good, I'm going to release this arm angle adjustment and see how it works. So that's a pretty good balance right away. You can see it's very slightly heavier to the back side. So if you want to fine tune that, release the arm length adjustment and shift it very slightly this direction. I moved it just a little bit further that way. And now you can see that's a very good balance. I'll tighten this very slightly. Now I can move it and release, and it will stay put. So the key is just to find the balance. And remember, if you have any questions or would like assistance with your SkyCrane, please contact us. It's customer service at laptopdesk.net. We hope you enjoy the product, and thank you for watching these videos.